So assalamu alaikum friends, and how are you? I hope you are all fine, and I am back with another video tutorial of Photoshop because I was very busy in the last week, so that is why I can't came here with any videos, right guys? And in today's video we are talking about the Photoshop next tutorial about this. The image is created into the right order today. And so let's move on to the Photoshop, and I mean to say that let's move on to our PC work space. And here's the last portion of our video guys, and I'm very happy to see that you have reached this point and you have proved this to me. You are very confidently interested in my content, and this is my very hardworking player, and thank you so much to watch my video full, and we will meet in the next video. Goodbye.
can feel it.